Bullish Ark, ARK, cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $1.72 and $3.74 by 2030. Market investigators accept ARK could reach $1.72 by 2025. Bearish Ark market cost expectation for 2022 is $0.305461. What is Ark, ARK? Engineers can fabricate their own blockchain utilizing the Ark biological system. Interoperability, layouts, and customization are only a couple of benefits of making your own undertaking on the ARK blockchain. Indeed, even while chasing after a blockchain task might seem troublesome, Ark has made it as straightforward as could be expected. That was the thinking behind choosing JavaScript and TypeScript as the environment's essential programming dialects. The Ark deployer instrument is utilized to begin a designer's blockchain. Information handles that can be altered incorporate name, exchange costs, ticker, image, and others. This offers the engineers the capacity to plan a blockchain that works for them. Designers can sort out their groups utilizing the instrument's administration framework. The Ark Programming Advancement Pack, SDK, which gives additional customization choices including money determination, is one of the engineer apparatuses accessible. The numerous modules and local wallet of ARK can be utilized by projects based on it. The biological system's money, called ARK, has numerous applications. Generally, network clients and engineers use it as a fast and reasonable stockpiling of significant worth. A appointed evidence of stake agreement is utilized by Bitcoin, in which 51 representatives are assigned to vouch for or manufacture blocks. By permitting token holders to stake their tokens to pick a representative, ARK decreases the worries of centralization that have burdened different organizations. Ark, principal examination. The Ark organization and its local coin was sent off in 2017. The typical exchanging cost of the ARK coin was 3 cents then, at that point. In spite of the underlying absence of movement, it turned bullish at the finish of the year and encountered its biggest leap forward. Starting in December, the second emphasis of Ark was delivered, and subsequently, its base cost esteem soar. That very day, its wallet was additionally refreshed, upgrading the agent casting a ballot UI. ARK took off to a most extreme worth of $10.91. It couldn't keep up with this most extreme cost level, however, and during the next months it fell abruptly. By the finish of that year, the cost of ARK had altogether declined from $1, shutting 2018 at 38 cents. Up until its resulting bounce back over 2 years after the fact, it exchanged beneath past normal cost. Jerk's reconciliation of the tipping framework CoinKit in 2021 made it feasible for clients to tip designers on the live streaming site by sending them Arkansas. The biological system likewise completed its Market Square highlight in late walk and made it accessible to ARK colleagues, making walk a bustling month. Before long, ARK encountered its most exorbitant cost ascend to $3.98. Sometime thereafter in September, ARK again moved toward that level. The organization's third variant went live. This update improved the environment's instruments, foundation, and numerous different highlights. It saw one more meeting in 2022 as another update to Form 3 went live, which fixed messes with and further developed security. ARK crested at a greatest worth of $1.67 then, at that point, yet has since fallen and is exchanging at any rate cost of 77 cents. Ark, specialized investigation. Most of forecasters have positive expectations for Arkansas as per wallet investors' value projection of the Ark coin. It is astounding speculation that will transcend $1 in a year and afterward outperform the $3 mark in 5 years. Tech News Leader predicts that the cost of Ark digital money will outperform the ongoing price tag of $1 this year and cross $3.50 in 5 years. In 10 years the Ark cost figure is at a greatest cost worth of $21. Price Prediction made a comparative conjecture, foreseeing that the Ark coin will exchange at a typical cost of more than $3.50 in 5 to 6 years. It extends that the greatest cost of ARK cash will be more than $24 in 10 years. ARK, ARK, current cost. ARK is as of now worth $0.381826 ARK has moved -5.35% as of now with an exchanging volume of $5,944,624. ARK is as of now positioned 1,448 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $52,996,574. ARK, ARK, Value Forecast 2022. ARK, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. ARK. The ARK cost gauge for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to $0.572727. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be slow, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $0.534546 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is possible soon given expected coordinated efforts and headways. ARK is supposed to have a base worth of $0.458182. ARK, ARK, Value Expectation 2023. In 2023, ARK cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of ARK will before long outperform $0.954546. In any case, we ought to hold back to check whether the ARK's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, ARK will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.763637 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.840000. ARK, ARK, Value Expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $1.34 and ARK might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. ARK is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $1.22 and a low of $1.15 in 2024. ARK, ARK, Value Forecast 2025. In the event that ARK effectively supports market opinion among digital currency devotees, the ARK coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ARK will be green in 2025. The ARK is supposed to reach and out